Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to split the screen in Visual Studio Code so you can work with multiple files at the same time. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Open at least one file in the editor. At the top right of the editor, click Split Editor. This icon looks like two rectangles. The editor will split into two panes. Now open another file. Drag the File tab into the new pane. You can continue splitting to create more columns or rows. To change the split direction, use the View menu. Click View. Click Editor Layout. Choose the layout you want. Split screen helps compare files and edit code faster. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.